everybody talks about how so great it is to own a house. We've owned our house for 3 years. It was 3 years this month, and we've had our unit go out, our airing unit, in the middle of winter. Still haven't gotten that fixed. It's gonna cost us $4,000 for that one, and now our plumbing is messed up. Pretty sure the kids shoved something down there. But it started gurgling and making awful noises, and then my bathroom downstairs flooded with very nasty water. So, it's not fun. This isn't fun. This isn't worth it no more.
Okay, so for everybody who's thinking about buying a house, just remember this is the kind of stuff you might have to deal with. So, let's take a look down here. So we've been having, what's been going on? We've had some gurgling and bubbling from our toilet, and everything backed up into our shower downstairs, which is disgusting. And when I say everything, I mean everything. So I'm going to show you how to fix this, hopefully. So if you look down here, let me move this out of the way because this is
so you can't really see it.
And maybe we'll turn a light on.
That doesn't help at all.
Dang, don't drop your phone in there. That's okay. Just... Okay. So you can't see, but we'll try our best. But if you look right here, this is the pipe for the drains in the house, and everything connects to this one drain. This, whatever the hell, if I can get it out.
That's disgusting.
Okay, that's fine. Run some more water down here.
That one's clean now.
Yeah, I know. That's the clean trap, or the clean out.
Huh.
So, there was something blocking this pipe, which wasn't allowing, and it honestly looks like a shirt.
Really?
It looks like a t-shirt, but I can't
Are
get
you
it.
kidding me?
I pushed it down too far. I can't get it, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. But yeah, so it looked like, I don't know how they would put a shirt.
It had to have been Easton. Our older boys don't do that crap.
It looks like a white t-shirt. I don't know how you would get that. Alright, wish I could fucking get it.
Are you having fun yet?
I'm having a blast. Did you show them this? And did you put bleach in here?
In what?
Did you put bleach in anything?
Nope.
It smells like bleach, so I'm asking. I don't want to ruin my favorite towel.
I mean, I put bleach in it last night.
Well, they should. Don't buy a house.